In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically color code specific words or phrases in Excel. This feature makes it easy to highlight important information in your worksheets. Highlight the range of cells where you want to apply the color coding. Go to the Home tab, then click on Conditional Formatting. Select Highlight Cell Rules, and then choose Equal to. In the dialog box, enter the word or phrase you want to color code, for example, true. Choose a preset color option, or select Custom Format to pick a custom color. Click OK to apply the formatting. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.